How to open Snapchat account. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn how to open Snapchat account. First of all, go ahead and tap and sign up. After you allow notifications, you go ahead and fill your first name and your last name if you want to, and you go ahead and choose your birthday. I'm gonna choose a random one, and that's how you do it. If you choose to continue, get a password, and after you enter an email, and if you press finish, your account will be created, and that is how you can open up a Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. See you guys next time.